To add image in HTML, use image tag. Image tag is self-closing tag, which means does not need a separate closing tag. To show your image on the website, use the src attribute. src attribute tells the browser its location. Type your image location here. An image will show on the website. But as you can see, it's very big. To make it smaller or bigger, use width and height attributes. The alt attribute is used to describe the image. It stands for alternative text. If the image doesn't load, the browser will show the alt text instead. The title attribute is used to show extra information when you hover over an element. These are the main attributes of the image tag. You can style images using CSS and add functionality with JavaScript.